Make
All right,
sense.
good.
Not nonsense. Make sense.
Okay, good, good, good. All right, so it's all about carrying over. Let's have a look here. Let me get back into normal. Good. Excellent. All right, so I think what we're going to do is probably, no, let's do the next page for practice. Oh, I don't have the next page up. All right, we'll leave that one for now. Let's go to our workbook. Okay, let's go to our workbook. And we are on page 32. Oh, I'm way ahead. There we go. All right, we're back to these. We can do our addition in the workbook. We should go to the workbook. All right, so let's go to our workbook. Okay. All right. Go to the workbook. That's this one. On page, I think we are on page 32. There we go. So last page we did. Oh, it's on the other board. So here we go. We did that page last time. And let's start working through some of these problems. All right, here we go.
What page?
32. All right, down here, 32.
The another book.
Yes, we're in the other book. We are in the workbook right now, the orange one. And this is just doing what we just did. All right, let's continue what we did before. That was the page we did before. Okay, all this addition. And now we're going to do this one. All right, so these ones are count-ons. Right, this is a count-on. When you add a low number, you can just count. Have you good? When you have a low number, you can just count, right? So let's have a look.
I'm finished now, teacher.
Are you finished page 32?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are counting on. I mean, you can do it this way. That confuses me. This one's easy. Just count. So we start at 426. We're going to go up to 3, 426, 427, 428, 429. All right, 429. Who can tell me what this one is?
379.
379. Excellent. We got some more down here. Now we're counting by tens. These are tens. 364,
394.
Yes, counting by tens. All right. And here we're counting by tens again. What's our number?
800
800.
808. 37.
Let's have a check. I have 827. I'm adding 4 tens. 827, 837.
867.
I think that's it. 837, 847, 857, 867. Okay. So this one's easy too, because we're, well, not so easy, but we're counting by 10.
Easy.
All right.
Easy.
Good. Let's go up and let's just finish these. There we go. Now we're counting by hundreds. What's our number? $655. 700. Sorry.
856.
Okay, let's count. We're counting by hundreds.
855.
Yeah, that's it. Yes. Thank you. Okay. 655, 755, 855. Here we're counting by hundreds again. 490, 590, 690.
790.
Oh, perfect. All right. So here we've got some counting on, counting by tens, and counting by hundreds. All right. So I want you to try those first by yourself. Now let's see what we can get. See if we all get it right. Let me do it in my head. I have lots of paper. I don't know where it went. Let me get a scrap paper. That's lots of scrap. There we go. Counting those using a pencil. Okay, 1, E.
Teacher. I finished. I am
Did you?
finished.
Good. Let me finish mine. D.
And finished.
Good. You guys are fast, which is good.
And finished.
All right. So I got my answers too. How's everybody doing? Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. So you give me the number. What is this one? What's our answer? 161 plus 4.
165.
Excellent. All right, let's do this one. 820.
Teacher, may I go to toilet, please?
Yes, if you have to go to the toilet.
77. 877.
Thank you. All right, hold on. Let's go to the next. Want to make sure I don't want to go too fast. All right. Next one.
375. Toilet, please. 170.
Yes, if you have to go to the toilet, go to the toilet, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
368.
We're adding by tens, going up by tens. Now we're doing hundreds.
700. 670. I'm sure. So
What's our number? 700?
379. 379.
79.
379.
Okay. Hold on. Let's do it over here. I'm getting a lot of different answers. So we're doing 439 plus 300. Okay. Let's double check. This is a good way to double check your work. Well, 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 3 is... So what's our number? What's our answer?
79.
739. Okay. And here, if you remember, we're adding only hundreds. So we know...
677.
Yeah. So since we're already in hundreds, we already know we've got a 27. And we need a 6.
627.
600
207. 627.
227 plus 400 is... Remember, if you're never sure, if you're going, oh, I don't know, I'm confused, just go up to here again. All right? So I always put the bigger number first. So I'm going to put 400. Because this way it makes it a lot easier. Plus 227. All right? So 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. And 4 plus 2 is... There you go. Right down there. All right? So let's see. I want to make sure. Yeah, the next page is just practice. So I want you to practice the next page. All right, we'll just do this page, 34. Oh, and that page is a lot easier. Everything is below 10. All right, so that one should be a lot easier for you. So I'll get those from you in a minute. You guys do it. Good morning. Morning. Are we ready? Let me write down on my paper. This should be easier because it's all under there's no carry over in this one. Dun, 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 dun. So just do page 34, and we'll see if we all have the right answers.
Teacher,
Yeah.
34 finished.
The what? Are you finished?
I 34 finished.
Everybody's finished, or do you need another minute or so? Now this adding's a little
Me finish.
because nothing's over 10 in this one.
Me finish.
Are you finished? So
Finish. Finish.
all right,
Finish.
let's get some answers in there. All right, let me call this up for you. All right, so here we've got an addition, 528 plus 31. My answer is
559.
that's what I got. Good. That's the same answer I got. So that's good. Let's do this one. 400.
532.
Yeah, that one's easier, right? Because there's no that one's a little easier because there's no there you go. 'Cause there's 2 zeros.
895.
695. Sorry, how much? 8. Yeah, that's what I got. So I got 895. Next one.
939.
Right. So I got a 930.
ผมเปิดมาแล้วครับแม่
Right. I think most of you add that in your head.
ปิดไมค์ก่อน
778.
That's the number I got too. Good. 700.
โอ้398 ก่อน 596 550 550
999.
Yeah, wasn't that one fun?
99
999.
500 728 999
All right, so 900. Excuse the dots. They come in sometimes. All right, that looks. Let's see. Let me check my numbers. See if I got it right. Yep. Same as you. Same as you. Good. So that is our addition. All right. How are we doing for time? We'll stop there. Okay. You can probably do that pretty easily, though. We'll save that for next time. Okay. That one doesn't have carryovers either. So that's pretty easy. All right. So let's stop there. We've still got some time. So that's good. That was really good work, you guys. I've done some math with P2 before. They were way behind where you were. So that's really good. So let me get up a little, see if I have a fun story. You guys finish what you're doing. let's see if I can put something fun on. We did that one. I think we've done them all the ones I have. We did the color ones. We did Sweeping Beauty. Going in a bear house. I've done them all. So let's do another one over. Let's go back to the color ones. All right, this is Jack in the Green Sock. See if you remember what colors make other colors.
Who's ready to hatch some cool facts?
Hold on. What is this? There we go. All right. Perfect. So we'll have this one's called Jack and the Green Sock. We've seen it before, but again, it's a reminder of colors. When you mix colors together, you will get another color. So make sure you can see it. Is it up? Yes, it is.
The most amazing story that you will ever know. Sit back, relax, get comfortable as you enjoy the show. We're almost there, stay in your chair, the band's about to play. It's the most amazing story that you'll hear today.
Tell Mother Goose get out of the way. The story of Jack and the Green Sock.
Once upon a time,
There was a boy named Jack who traded his cow for a bag of beans.
Beans for a whole cow?
That's right. And Jack's mother was so mad about this that she threw all the beans out of the window.
The end.
No. The story's just getting started.
Oh, okay.
Well, it turns out these were magic beans.
They came in 3 different colors.
Red, yellow, blue.
That, while Jack was sleeping, great beanstalks grew high into the sky. When he woke in the morning, Jack was amazed. He grabbed hold of stalks that had grown from red and yellow beans and climbed until he reached a castle in the clouds, where he saw a pumpkin and a goldfish and some carrots.
That's because red and yellow make orange.
Red, yellow, orange.
But there was also a great big giant there who shouted,
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
and Jack didn't stick around to hear anything more. He left right away. But later that day, Jack grabbed onto stalks that grew from blue and red beans. He climbed back up to a castle in the clouds, where he saw an eggplant and a jar of grape jam and some lilacs.
That's because blue and red make purple.
Blue, red, purple.
But there was also a great big giant there who shouted,
Fee, fi, fo, fum, my.
and Jack didn't stick around to hear the rest. He ran away again. Of course, later that day, he grabbed onto stalks that grew from yellow and blue beans, and he climbed back into the sky, where he saw a pine tree and a dollar bill and some broccoli.
That's because yellow and blue make green.
Yellow, blue, green.
And a great big giant shouted,
Fee, fi, fo, fum. My foot is cold. It's getting numb.
When Jack heard that, he took out the bag that used to be filled with magic beans, and he handed it to the giant, who said,
Hey, thanks. I've been looking all over for a sock like that.
The giant was so happy to have his toes cozy and warm that he gave Jack a big bag of gold.
You could buy a lot of cows with that.
Yes, and Jack invited the giant back down to his house, where they had a tea party and they built things with blocks, and they played games for the rest of the day.
What colors were there again?
Red, yellow, blue, orange, purple, green.
Magic beans.
Personally, I prefer jelly beans.
that was the most amazing story that you'll hear today.
There you go. And if you try it, it's true. If you try mixing the colors, that's what you'll get.
Oh.
Okay, so if you ever if you're ever coloring and you run out of orange, we'll just mix yellow and red. All right, everybody, you did a great job. So thank you. And we will see, I will ask you to send in some pages. We covered a lot, so not all. All right, so good job, everybody. We'll see you at 2 o'clock for English. All right? And we will look at our new spelling words for this week. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.